today, we have, as part of our transition, as part of our roadmaps, every solution of ours has to be mobile. So, the world has changed at this point in time. You guys, the young startups which you all have started, is a fantastic time now for you all with cloud, mobile, big data analytics. There's amazing opportunities.
You can accelerate, go fast.
Absolutely.
Much more so than you could even 5 years ago, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now tell us a little bit about talent, because that's an area where every time I talk to product CEOs again, they're wringing their hands saying we need more talent, we need more capacity in that area. A little bit.
It's a really most important thing of your success is having a great talent. And what I have learned is that you can retain talent in product companies primarily because of your innovations, what you do, and that excites a lot of them. And finding that metal, the innovation metal, the crazy guys who really want to do it is. I was fortunate, I would say that we had really great guys in my team, and they really stuck on in the bad times with a great belief that yes, we will turn it around, we will make this company happen. And of course, you got to be a good leader too, to take care of them, make them feel very important, and being part of the journey together. A lot of things matter, and they should look up to you as a leader. And talent, extremely important. And we had also some crazy guys at that point in time, guys who done IIT, MS from United States, and not taking up jobs. And then the hard jobs were Wipros, Infosys, TCS, and all that. And nobody used to look at product companies, but few of them were very crazy, said, "Hey, listen, I want to join a startup product company." Because they also had a belief that, let's create IPR. And one of the metrics which you can look at, increasing the revenue of your potential customers, is it, increasing the customer experience of their customers? If it's an enterprise, this thing, is it helping them on the ROI? And the fourth is, it could also fit into the regulatory requirement segment. So you got to, when you're doing a product fitment, ask yourself a hard question, because we get emotionally carried away with about what we create. And we are so passionate in the days when you start, we miss out on these things, from the hard aspect of, what is that? It's really helping your customers. And what is the business problem you're solving?